Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to pin Microsoft Teams to the taskbar so you can access it quickly. If you use Teams frequently, pinning it will save you time and keep it just one click away. Stay tuned as I walk you through these steps. So, let's get started. First of all, make sure Microsoft Teams is installed on your computer. If it's not, download and install it from the official Microsoft website. Now, click on the Start button and type Microsoft Teams in the search bar. Once it appears in the results, right-click on it and then Pin to Taskbar. This will add the Teams icon to your taskbar for easy access. You can also pin the Microsoft Teams in the taskbar through alternative method. If Teams is already open, simply right-click the Teams icon on the taskbar and select Pin to Taskbar. And that's it. Now Microsoft Teams is pinned to your taskbar, making it easy to open anytime. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.